Hi, Alec here from Platform. In this tutorial video we are going to discuss how to create a sales manager or a salesperson that is going to be connected with your Sales CRM. As an account owner, you're the only one with permissions to create team accounts. In order to create a team account, you need to go to your profile and then setup. Once you land on that page, from the projects you need to choose the tab users. In this here screen you're able to see your existing team members, and you're able to create a new team member by clicking the plus button here. So let's create a sales manager first. So you click plus, let's give it a name, so Sales M. Email, I'm gonna use my email. Okay, we give a password. So you choose the project permissions, so in this case we're gonna choose that he only can access test project. System permissions, so we are denying everything, so deny all access and only allow below sub areas. So we're gonna allow him only CRM access, nothing else. Then he doesn't need a dashboard permissions, or he can't create dashboards. If your sales manager is also responsible for different stuff like marketing, automations, or sending emails, broadcasts, etc., of course you can assign them also the other aspects and other menus, so you can assign the messages section or automation section in order they to be able to use it. Okay, so this is how you create a sales manager. So fill the information, you remove everything, and you just give him a CRM access and submit. So we have our sales manager, and quickly we're gonna create a salesperson. The difference is that sales manager can view all the activities, all the pipelines, all the deals, and can view all the salespersons, check their activities, filter by specific salesperson, etc. I'm going to quickly show you that in a minute. So sales P, it's salesperson, for example. Again, I'm going to use my email. Okay, then okay. Again, we give permission only to a specific project, of course one or multiple. We deny everything and only CRM access, so CRM section, and we tick it is a salesperson. This opens another option where you can choose what pipeline, one or multiple, your salesperson can view. In this case we have two in the test project, so I'm gonna choose only the default pipeline. So this salesperson has only access to the default pipeline, that's it. Okay, submit. So we got our sales manager and salesperson. So I'm gonna just quickly change the browsers in the incognito mode and log in like a sales manager first, so I can show you how it looks and what basically are the views and the environment for a sales manager. So we're gonna log in now as a sales manager. So as you can see, he has access to the CRM and he can log out, of course. So from the CRM he has full access to the contacts, organizations, pipelines, etc. So let's go quickly in the pipelines. So from here the sales manager has also access to all the pipelines. He can also create new pipelines, he can also edit the current one, etc. He is able to see also activities, so by clicking there he can see the activities, then he can filter by specific salesperson and of course by him if he has some activities assigned to. When a deal is also open, for example, he can go to the specific salesperson and see an overview and details. So in this case this salesperson has 5 deals and 8 activities. So he has 3 overview, for example, and 1 overview activity. And also he can see the files that are assigned, if there are some documents, etc. to be signed, those will be visible also here. So as you can see, sales manager sees everything from the sales CRM and has control over the sales CRM and also over the salesperson. So he can see their activities, their deals, he can manage the deals and all the functionality. Now let's just quickly log out. We're gonna again log in as a salesperson. Salesperson, okay. So this is a similar screen for the salesperson. Of course, he can just log out also, and as you can see here, he only has access to contacts and pipelines. So he doesn't have access to organizations and other fields from the CRM like segmenting and custom fields, for example. So he can see the contacts because of course they're needed, the permission is there needed, so they can, let's say, go to a contact, then they can go to deals and they can see the actual deals there, or they can go to activities and see the activities that are assigned to him or to them, of course. And when they go in pipelines, we chose that only this pipeline, so the salesperson can see only this pipeline. And as you can see here in activities, from here, as you can see, they're unable to choose assignees, so they can only see their activities. In this case, this salesperson doesn't have an activity assigned because it was created as new. So they can see their activities, they can see the pipeline they're assigned to, and they're basically focused on only their assigned work. So if there were deals assigned, they would have seen them here. So let's quickly let's go back like here. If we go to pipelines, if we get on this deal quickly and just go edit and reassign to sales P. Okay, cool. Then we go here, there is one activity, so we can go quickly on that activity and reassign it to sales P, for example. Okay, so this also can be done by the sales manager and also the account owner. And we get back, and if we refresh the page, so here is the deal. It is assigned to the salesperson. By clicking, he can see the activities, but it's only his profile, so he's unable to see on other activities and for other team members. That gives basically a fully focused salesperson environment where they can only focus on their work. And if they go here, for example, on the activities here, or even if they click here on the activities, they're able to see only their assigned activities. I hope that this video was not too long, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.